Welcome to Third Bracket. In this video, I will show you how to enable the SVM mode in your processor to run the emulator from the VS Code or Android Studio. So if your SVM mode is not enabled from the BIOS setting, you may face this problem when you run the emulator. So you have to restart the processor and go to the BIOS mode. Right now I will show it. So after restarting the processor, I'm going to the BIOS mode by pressing F1, and after that, here in the search section I will search for SVM, and it is disabled. I have to enable that, then quit the window and make sure everything is saved before leaving the BIOS mode. Then I'm starting the processor again. So after restarting the processor, I open the Android Studio again and I will run the emulator right now. So here nothing is asked. The project is executing successfully and the problem is solved. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel and have a good day.